Hey guys, welcome to SSBeauty's YouTube channel. I'm Susmitha Siddi, your next door brown girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pick the perfect wedding eye makeup based on your eye shape. Whether you're going for a soft romantic look or something a bit more dramatic, choosing the right eye makeup can really make your eyes pop. I've got two stunning eye looks for you today. A lifted eye look on one side and a halo eye look on the other. These are both gorgeous, but the best one for you will depend on your unique eye shape. Let's get started. First, let's start with a lifted eye look. This look is perfect for those of you with downturned or hooded eyes. The goal here is to lift the eye and create the illusion of a more almond-shaped eye. Start with a light base. Apply a soft neutral shadow all over the lid to create a smooth canvas. For a soft wedding look, go for light champagnes or soft pinks. Focus on the outer corner. Use a matte or slightly shimmery shadow in a medium to dark brown or peach and apply it to the outer V of your eye, blending upwards towards the brow bone. This will lift the eye and make it appear more open. Apply a light shimmer or highlight to the inner corner of the eye and along the lower lash line to make your eyes appear more awake and lifted. The key to this look is a sharp, subtle winged liner. It's important to keep the wing going upwards, not outwards, to keep the focus on lifting the eye. Focus the mascara on the outer lashes for that extra lift. See how much more lifted the eye looks on this side. This is best for hooded eyes, downturned eyes and close-set eyes. The lifted eye technique works wonders if you want to add some drama while keeping your eye makeup soft and romantic for your wedding day. Next up, we have the halo eye. This is the perfect choice for those of you with wide set eyes or deep set eyes, as it creates the illusion of depth and draws attention to the center of the eye, making them appear more balanced and defined. Just like the lifted eye, apply a light base color over your lids. Soft nudes and pinks work great for weddings. To create a halo effect, apply a dark shade like a deep brown, plum or charcoal to the outer and inner corners of your eyes. Make sure to blend it inwards, leaving the center of your eyelid clear. Add a shimmering or metallic shade in the center of your eyelid to create the halo effect. This brightens the eye and makes them appear more open and centered. You can go for a soft eyeliner along the upper lash line to define the eyes without taking away from the halo effect. To make the eye more open, you can add a nude kohl pencil on the lower waterline and apply a dark brown shade below the waterline. Apply mascara generously to both the top and bottom lashes to balance out the look and make the eyes stand out even more. As you can see, the halo eye look brings so much dimension to the eye. It's perfect if you want something a little bolder or more glamorous for your wedding day, but still subtle enough for the perfect bridal glow. Well, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this breakdown of the lifted eye look and halo eye look helpful in choosing your perfect wedding eye makeup. Remember, your wedding day is all about you, so choose the look that makes you feel the most beautiful and confident. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more bridal beauty tips, and let me know in the comments which eye look you would go for. Bye!